Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Cabby and this is Driving TV. And today we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of getting your driver's license in the USA. So whether you're just starting out or gearing up for your first test, this guide will help you navigate the journey to becoming a licensed driver. So here's the step-by-step guide to getting your driver's license in the United States. Alright, so eligibility requirements. So first things first, check the eligibility requirement in your state. Generally, you need to be of a certain age, often 16 or 18, and have parental consent if you're a minor and meet specific residency and identity documentation requirements. So make sure that you have unnecessary documents such as proof of identity, residency, and social security number. Those are something that you need to keep in mind. The three things you got to keep in mind. Also, your learner's permit application. So the next step is to apply for a learner's permit, and this typically involves visiting your local Department of Motor Vehicles DMV office and submitting your documents and passing a written knowledge test. This test covers traffic laws, road signs, and safe driving practices. So study your state's driver's manual and consider taking online practice tests to prepare, such as like Driving TV, our channel that has a bunch of study guides and whatnot, right? Video tutorials. 3 would be practice driving with a learner's permit. So once you receive your learner's permit, it's time to start practicing behind the wheel under the supervision of a licensed adult of a certain age, usually 21 or 25, depending on the state. Practice in various conditions, daytime, nighttime, different weathers, and focus on mastering basic maneuvers like parking, safe driving, and many other things. Now, driver's education course. So, if required, depending on your state, completing a driver's education course may be mandatory. These courses provide structured lessons and practical driving experience with a certified instructor. Even if not required, consider taking a course to enhance your driving skills and increase your confidence, right? If needed, of course. And let's talk about now schedule and preparation for the driving test. So once you've completed the required practice hours and feel confident that you are ready to hit the road and take that test, you have to schedule a driving test with the DMV. Be sure to review the driving test requirements specific to your state. This usually includes demonstrating your ability to perform maneuvers, follow traffic laws, and handle common driving scenarios. Now, take the driving test. So on this day of your driving test, arrive early at the DMV with your learner's permit, proof of insurance, if it's needed, and any other required documents. Now, listen carefully to the examiner's instructions, stay calm, and demonstrate safe driving practices throughout the test. Remember to communicate clearly, use your signals, obey traffic signs and signals. Now, receiving your driver's license. If you pass a driving test, congratulations, you'll receive your driver's license very soon after that. Typically, you'll be given a temporary license while you wait for the official one to arrive in the mail. Now, follow any restrictions and anything associated with new drivers in your state and all of that. Make sure that you're clear on that. And well, guys, what can I say? Congratulations again on taking the important step towards getting your driver's license. I hope this step-by-step little mini guide has been very helpful for you in understanding the process of everything and how to get things done. Remember, each state may have specific requirements and procedures, so it's essential to check with your local DMV for the most accurate information. If you found this video helpful or useful, make sure that you comment below, thumbs up, and just let me know like your feedback, what you think, And also stay connected, because I will be posting a lot of tutorials and more videos coming up. So hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. Safe driving, and I'll see you on the next one.